Dice. Wide range of dice. Browse the variety of dice. Create your own dice. Use your imagination to create useful and interesting dice. Insert into mozaBook. Insert the app into mozaBook as an image or as interactive content.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Dice app. Throw the dice by clicking. You can have several dice apps open simultaneously. Click here in order to go to the dice collection page. Select a type of dice by clicking. There are dice for grammar, music, or even science lessons. Page through the collection of dice by clicking on the dots at the top. Alternatively, slide horizontally to page through the collection. Click on this icon if you wish to start customizing your own dice. Enter the text to appear on the sides of the dice into the text box. Drag and drop images into the app. Go to the media library, enter a word in the search box, then browse the images. When you've finished customizing your own dice, click on the tick to see the dice you have created. The design of the dice varies depending which cells you filled in. Each side of the dice can have a different design. Click here in order to insert the app in its current state into mozaBook. There are several formats in which you can insert the app into mozaBook. Visit our website for further information about our apps.